son, Shane, right there. You notice that Shane is playing a Rickenbacker guitar, so he's already in the front door. This happens to be my Rickenbacker guitar that I bought back in 1969. This guitar was on all those hits right at the beginning, like Green River and Traveling Band and stuff like that. And then the guitar went missing for like 44 years. My dear wife has just gotten it back for me. Now this guitar is special because I played this guitar at Woodstock! Yes. What you saying? That amplifier right there, that tuck and roll thing that looks like a 1957 Chevy backseat. I also played that amplifier at Woodstock! Then I came home and I wrote this song.